Alright guys, welcome back to a quick video here. I'm working on a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. These are very common Mercedes. A lot of people buy because they're low cost and everything. So this is an AMG model. It shouldn't make a difference between AMG or regular, okay? But basically, let's look at how the front bumper is removed, okay? First of all, you're going to have two 10mm bolts going up into these clips right here, okay, into these J-nuts. So in order to get to those, you're gonna have three plastic retainers on the sides. I highly suggest that you guys use soapy water to just hose those things down, because from all the road grime and everything, the soapy water will help you to release those, okay? Get the pin head to pop out, okay? I like to use this small snap-on clip remover to get in there, okay? If you don't have the vehicle up on a lift, it's good to turn the wheel from one side to the other to give you access in there, okay? Try to get one of these in there. And then also what I do is if you go to like Walmart or Lowe's or something like that, you can get one of these little tools and you can like grind it and just give it a little bit of a bigger opening to get in there, and then it gives you a 90-degree tool to pry with, okay? Check this out. Here's another big thing with this is these top screws, okay? They're T25 Torx. So there's one next to the headlamp on each side, and then there's like three or four on the top. I think there's four. No, there's three. There's three. I'm going to show you right now what's up with those three at the top too, because there's something tricky with that. Okay, and then there's the other one. So let's look at this real quick. Check these out. These have, this is where those screws go, okay? I have the bumper cover removed. It's sitting on my bumper stand here. It has these ridges, all right? So hose those down with soapy water as well. And then when you're ready, okay, after you get all the bolts on the whole bumper removed, give this a good yank. Just kind of tug it, and the same with the other two, okay? Just give them a good tug. It's gonna come out very nicely, you'll see. But leave that till last when you're ready to take this bumper off, okay? Now check this out. Here's something weird. It has secret bolts that hold the bumper on, all right? So someone had worked on this vehicle before and they didn't do this right. They ended up leaving these bolts out because obviously they're not accustomed to working on Mercedes-Benz, so they did it incorrectly. Mercedes aren't hard to work on. You got to do everything in the right order, okay? It's layered like an onion, all right? So this lower shield needs to be off. That if you're putting this back together, the lower shield goes on last, okay? And it's held on with 8mm bolts underneath, all right? So, but check this out. This is where those secret bolts mount. So this is what you want to get access to. It should be 10mm bolts going into there, all right? And it's super easy if you just do it right. So let me see if there's anything else I'm forgetting. I don't believe so. So let me show you real quick though what these retainers look like. These are the side retainers that you're going to be removing. So see how they have these ridges too? So get that thing as wet as you can, all right? I think that's pretty much it. So I'm going to be taking this lower shield off of here and I'm going to put it back together the right way, replace some of these bolts that are missing, okay, and clips, and we're going to have a nice beautiful repair. So I think that's it. So once again, my name is Brian, Tech Brian, and remember that the gospel, which is that Jesus died for your sins and that he was buried, and 3 days later he rose from the dead according to the scriptures, okay? This is true. You can trust this, and there's even massive amounts of evidence to support the death and resurrection of Jesus Christ, okay? So put your faith in Jesus, put your faith in the gospel that I just shared with you, that he died for your sins and he was buried and 3 days later he rose from the dead, and you will be saved, okay? God bless you guys. Bye.